Hi! Would you like to increase your bookings by encouraging clients to book directly from your Facebook and/or Instagram page? In just a few clicks, you can add booking buttons to your business pages using our Facebook and Instagram bookings feature. Let's begin by navigating to the Custom Features page where we can activate this feature. Once we go into its settings, we can click Connect with Facebook, which will prompt us to log into Facebook. If you're already logged in, you will be asked to confirm the connection between your SimplyBook.me and Facebook accounts. Next, we can determine what pages should be connected and allow managing and enabling business features for the chosen pages. One last confirmation, which includes the option to connect your Instagram business profile. And voila! Your business pages have been linked to your SimplyBook.me account. You will be redirected to Facebook and Instagram booking settings, where you can select a custom theme or log out when you want to disconnect the current account. Your services are now featured at the top of your business page with dedicated booking buttons that will take your clients to your booking page. It is also possible to add booking buttons to your Facebook posts. Please note that booking via Instagram will only be available when using the mobile app. If you only want to connect your Instagram page, you can find a detailed guide on setting it up by following the link in the video description. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.